Table 3 has volunteered for the first one. If you can get I swear I would take you home with me if you can get this right.
Is it 32x to the third y to the seventh if it's square root of 2 watts?
No, because you did. Oh, I know what you did. Yeah, he did. He ignored the index. Yeah. So DJ ignored this. He pretended it was a 2. It's a 4. So sad day. It's going to make our life a little harder. I'm trying to figure out something to the 4th power. Is anything to the 4th power 128? And I already know the answer to that is no. So I need 2 things that multiply to 128. Hopefully one of them raised to the 4th is a number of some sort. And I'm sure Brady's going to tell me something. 32 and 8?
64 and 2.
Yeah, that's not going to work. It's going to be 64 and 2. No. Is it 64 and 2? Yes. 2 to the 4th isn't 64. 2 to the 4th is 16. Isn't it 16 and 8?
Yes.
You know, like, I didn't say math words out loud for a while, so like I still know how to do math, but I forgot kind of how to explain that part. So let me try to get that out. We want something to the 4th power. I know 2 to the 4th power is 16. That's why I'm going with 16 and 8. Not that 32 and 64 and 2 are bad, or none of those are bad. It's just I'm trying to figure out something to the 4th power. That way it can escape the house. So I'm going to end up using 16 and 8. And I'm just going to leave the x to the 6th, y to the 15th the same. And then because 2 to the 4th is 16, a 2 gets to escape the house, and 8 is left inside the house. And I've got to deal with that x and that y. How many x's get to come out? 1 x, and how many's left underneath? Okay, 3 can have a point. If you didn't know how to do that, you could always list them out. Our index was 4, so we need to have 4 matches in order to escape. That's why this 1x gets to escape, because I do have this one set of 4. I don't have enough for another set. That's why these 2 are left over. That's why there's a 2 under the radical. As for the 15, I could do the same logic. Can someone tell me how many comes out and how many stays? 3 come out and 3 stay. 2 gets a point. If you don't know how to do that, I'm thinking 15 back up to 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. There's 3 left over. But if you don't know what English I'm saying, because it's been a while and I get it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You could always list them all out. I've got 1 set of 4. I've got 2 sets of 4. I've got 3 sets of 4. And then I have 3 left over. That's why 3 come out, and that's why 3 are left over. That's why this is the answer. It has been a while, but I taught you this, so ha. I don't know why that's a ha. I know it's been a while, and like, why couldn't they have done just an easy one with just a number, or an easy one with just variables? No, they did numbers and variables raised to odd exponents, which is a pain in the rear. But I digress. I do not make things, I just do what I'm told. And complain about it as I do so. So I'm basically you. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, on number 7, I'll leave that up for a second. On number 7, it said something about math. It said, Miss Compton, can you write this year? Square root of 2 plus 3 square root of 5. 2 square root of 2 plus 4 square root of 5. What am I supposed to do to solve this problem? It is distribute, and I'll give 2 the point for that. And that's what I was looking for. We call it FOIL when it's like this. So if I do first, 2 times 1, I end up getting 2, because there's an understood 1 out here. So 1 times 2, I got 2. square root of 2, square root of 2. I multiply the two numbers under the house, so 2 times 2 is 4. I know. Don't ruin all my dreams. Outer 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 5 is 10. Inner 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 2 is 10. And then last, 3 times 4 is 12. 5 times 5 is 25. 25. I'm not done. Why am I not done? I have to combine the like terms, and I could also simplify. The 2 square roots of 4. I know the square root of 4 is. I know 4 and 6 put together is 10 square roots of 10. I know the square root of 25 is. So when I combine all this junk, my last final answer is. Okay, and that's why 3 gets a point. How did he get 64? 12 times 5 is 60. 2 times 2 is 4. 60 plus 4, 64. Yay! So exciting. If they took our least favorite problems from each section and put them on a thing and called it the study guide. Isn't that life? It's like going, Okay, number 8. Why do we have to do things on number 8? Why?
Because we have large numbers,
Yes, 3 gets a point. We can simplify. What times what is 24? Why do I want 6 and 4? Because 4 is perfect square, 3 is getting another point. What am I going to use for 18? 9 and 2, and then on the last one. 8 and 7 is 56. Okay. Oh, Lord. Okay, I did too many things at once. Let's just one thing at a time. So for the 24, put my stapler. For the 24, I know it's 4 times 6. So a 2 comes out, and a square root of 6 is left. Why does a 2 come out? Because the square root of 4 is 2. As for the 18, I know it's going to be 3 square roots of 2 because the square root of 9 is 3, so a 3 comes out, a 2 is left under the house. Yes, answer. Oh, bless you. I thought you said question, and I said answer because I was being smart. Square root of 6, square root of 9 is 3. I don't know if I've used enough words. English fun times. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 square roots of 6. Plus 3 square roots of 2 minus 15 square roots of 6. What is my final answer? I'm going to write it like this. But yeah, you said the exact same thing, just in reverse order. It does not matter. I just was putting the negative in back just to be evil. I don't know. Because I was doing it because I think that's how it would appear in an answer document, if we're being honest. Are there any questions about that? Because I swear words did not come out correctly at some point. I just think I forgot to use words. Thank you. Okay, number 9 is our final one, so we can stop pulling teeth on these today. It's different on the actual study guide. I changed it so it would only have a square root of 7 in the denominator. Why do we have to do this problem? 3 gets the point, and then 2 said the word I wanted to hear, which is rationalize, so she gets the points as well. We're going to rationalize that denominator. So in the denominator, I get square root of 7. Square root of 7 ends up being square root of 49, which does reduce to 7, which is why 2 is getting another point, because I swear I've done this problem all day, and she's the only one who's trying to help me up. Hurry it up. Okay, as for the top, I'm going to put 6 plus square root of 7, and then the square root of 7 on the outside. If you wanted to go ahead and distribute in your head, you sure could. I get 6 square root of 7 plus square root of 49. I'm not done. Why am I not done? Yes. I'll say every group gets a point, but 1 is super distracting me. So every group but 1. So it looks super annoying because, my God, our original problem was this. So, how is this, and I quote, answer, better than that? And the only reason it's better is because it doesn't have a square root in the denominator. If we could go back and let me change rules of math, this whole rationalizing denominator thing, I'd cut it out. But I didn't make math. I just teach it. I wish I'd made math. I paid a lot of money.